back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Come on in. We have another haul. Yay. I absolutely love hauls. I love watching them. I love shopping for them. I love filming them. I just love a good haul. And today is a collective haul. We have Zara, which is not usually my playground. I don't usually like run to Zara or think, oh, what's new in Zara. I went a couple of times with a couple of friends and they all went in and I found stuff. It was a good day. I have a couple of bits from Primark. This will not be my monthly Primark haul. I did do my August monthly Primark haul, which I'll leave linked down below. And there's about a 99.9999999% chance I will be doing one in September as well, getting ready for autumn and winter and the cozy stuff. And it's also my birthday month, so shopping on your birthday is just like a must. So if you love Primark hauls the way I love Primark hauls and you don't want to miss that one, make sure you subscribe. And there's also a couple of pairs of trainers from Office as well, which I got in a sale. So without further ado, because I love to babble in my intros, let's just get on into it. Right, so we'll do Office first. Both of these pairs of trainers were in the sale. I got one of them in store in the Manchester Arndale, and then the other one they ordered for me because they didn't have... Oh my gosh, so basically it's this pair of trainers, right? I saw them, they were in the sale, and then I asked for them like to be purchased, and she came back and she was like, they're odd shoes. So it's like a cream wavelength, and then the matching one that they had in store was black, with like where the black is on here cream. And I was like, well, can I just not buy them odd? Because if you're new here, I have odd trainers that I love. And they were like, no. So they ordered it in for me. But anyway, let me talk you through them. So these are the Puma Diva suede. And you have a white sole that also has like a cream bit here. This kind of like really nice cream suede, and then the black bit there. They are a bit of a platform, which I love. I did get these in a size 6 and I am literally like a solid 7. Every single place I go, every single shoe I'm a solid 7. But the 6 kind of fit. And she said because they were technically ordered online, I could return them if I wanted to, but I haven't tried them on since being home. But I love them. They're just so cool and just like a really nice trainer, so I'm a big fan. And then the other pair that I got was in store. And these are a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. I have not bought trainers in so long, so this was like heaven to me, like getting 2 pairs of trainers. I am a little bit of a trainer freak, only a tiny bit, so new trainers make me really happy. But these I got in my solid size 7, and they are the Air Force One Sage Low, and they have a sick colorway. Right, well they've just put like a random eye patch in there. What the hell? They have like a lime neon greeny thing at the bottom, a platform again, leather with a bit of like, it's almost like camouflage, and then snake. I don't know, I don't really have anything like this. I have wanted a pair of Air Force Ones for ages. I still want a pair of all white ones as well. They're a little bit of me, they're a little bit of fun, my favorite color, so yeah, I'm excited. And those, like I said, I got in a size 7 Primark, because I really didn't get much. I got 3 things. So I got 2 pairs of shoes, both were in the sale. I have worn these ones. They are basically black pleather slip-ons, £4, size 7. I wore them once and they have destroyed my feet so much. So I don't know if I need to either wear them in more or wear like a half pop sock or something. But with that being said, the other pair I got were the tan pair. Again, £4, size 7. These are, one's a 6 and one's a 7. But they're attached. Primark. Right, so one of these is a size 6 and one of them's a size 7, and they're attached. So that's gonna be returned. I'm so glad I do hauls because I would never have known. But yeah, they destroyed my feet, so I don't know. But that needs to get returned. I'm so annoyed now. And then I picked up this stunning, and you'll see it on the try on because I have tried it on and it's not done up, so sorry. This stunning, like oversized white shirt. I wanted it as a shirt dress, but I don't know if it's because I've got a long torso or it's not long enough, but it's not long enough to be a dress. I have to wear like biker shorts or like a pair of jeans underneath, which is not the end of the world because it was only £13. I got it in a size 18 to be as loose fitting as possible. I love that it's got like this collar, so it's not like a bent over like school collar, it's like a I don't know what they're called. I'm really bad. I just like things. I don't necessarily know what the technical terms are. And then it's got like balloon sleeves. I know that one. Balloon sleeves. And then like a cuffed cuff. But I think it was just really, really nice. And I think with like proper like off the shoulder like that, with like coated jeans and like slightly tucked in, a nice statement belt, those black flats that I just showed, like that's a vibe. That's such a vibe. So I got this and I'm really, really, really excited to wear it. I am not going to lie.
This bodysuit was also in the wash, so I completely forgot to include it. But it's bodysuit from Primark. It's ribbed. It's extremely see-through, so you have to wear like a nude bra underneath. I got it in a size medium, and it's just really nice. It's like a nice little staple piece to kind of have like layered in autumn, winter. Cannot wait for that, but completely forgot to mention it, so I thought I'd add it in now.
So that is it from Primark. Like I said, I do monthly Primark hauls now, so I leave the ones that I have done. Subscribe to future ones. You know the drill. And then next off is Zara. I finally got the bodysuits, guys. I finally got the bodysuit. The black one is currently in the wash, but it'll be tried on. I got the bodysuits. I got them all in a size large. They were $12.99. The powder blue one, really nice. I didn't know if blue would clash or complement the orange hair. People have said it looks nice, but I'm not entirely sure. I think it's okay. And then if not, one of my friends, Lucy, was like, it matches your face mask that you wear. So got the powder blue one, very happy. I got the white one. It's a little bit more see-through. There is double layered underneath where the boobie goes. My boobs are a bit too big for that area, so it doesn't really double line my boobs, but that's fine. But yeah, the white one. The black one, like I said, is in the wash. And I also got like the peachy tan one. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm more than likely gonna return this one. I think the color just clashes a bit too much, but I got this one first in my first Zara trip, and I was just so excited. I was like, get it, get it, get it, get it. But I'm more than likely going to return this because it's just, the colour is just, it's just not very flattering. I know that they do like a lilac one and I think a zebra print one, which I'll probably look into getting, but that one's just a bit, the colour's just not amazing. Then I picked up this dress. Now I haven't tried this on because looking at it when I got home, and sorry it's creased, it's been in the bag the whole time. Looking at it since I've been home, there is no zips or any way to get it on apart from putting it over your head. And I know that my boobs are big, I know my thighs are big, I know my ass is big, I know my stomach is big. I don't want to risk this ripping or anything, but if you are comfortable with Zara sizes, which I am not, please pick this up. It was £30 and it is like a khaki, olive, chrome, maxi dress. It is a maxi. It is so gorgeous. It's got a little like pull bit here, so the breasty area would look nice, but like I said, I'm not confident with Zara sizing, so I am going to be returning it because I'm just too scared to put it on and then, oh, and then it just literally just ripping. Final thing I got, like I said, it's just like a little collective haul of what I've been picking up. It's another little dress from Zara. This one is a midi. I got it in an extra large. Oh, sorry, I got the other one in an extra large as well. And this was $12.99. And it is just literally like a basic midi, but you've got the seam detail at the back, which I like. And it's just kind of like a jersey kind of material. I posted this on my Instagram, just like on my story, and so many people popped up saying that they liked it and that my body looked good in it. So it is very, 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 very figure hugging, which is really, really nice, to be fair. And I really, really like that. I think it's a great summer piece, but also like an oversized leather jacket, those leather slip-ons, and like a little hat. You've got like a little autumn piece as well. So successful. So that was it for my collective haul. I know it was short and sweet, which if you're used to my channel, you're probably not used to something being short and sweet. If you're wondering, this jacket is from H&M. I've had it for a few years, and the bodysuit is from Primark. I hauled it in my last haul. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait for my next month Primark haul. Like, I'm really like inching to like get cozy stuff, cardigans, knitwear. Oh, give me autumn and winter now. Like, I'm done with summer. Corona ruined my summer for me, so just let me enjoy winter. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye.